I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is John ProtoFPV, also Jonathan Desmond Photography. I do a lot of photography. Starting to do some video, especially with the drone stuff. Oops, that's my hand. And yeah, today I'm here just doing a walk, but also going for a spin with the ProtoFPV P3C, the Cinewhoop drone, which I have in my backpack right here. I don't know if you can see it. And yeah, we're just gonna take it out for a spin and let it go. Now, the one thing I will say about this drone is that it is really good. The one thing I will say about this drone is that it's really good because it flies really well. It's decent, able to get under 250 grams with certain configurations. I'm still able to hold my line together, at least especially with my poor piloting. Now, one thing I want to bring up is that I changed the name of this channel from John ProtoFPV to Evenings and Weekends, and it's because I'm not only doing just drone stuff, I do a lot of other photography stuff as well. And I wanted to say this YouTube to encapsulate kind of all that, the video side. What I do? Drone video mostly. I've been tinkering with a little bit with cinematic video as well. But mostly I do a lot of photography, and I want to kind of encapsulate that. Maybe do a couple of camera reviews, film reviews, other stuff like that. You know, I see on YouTube there's a lot of guys who are doing these channels already. I'm going to turn this way so you don't get the light. Who are doing that already. So I'm trying to be just do my own thing, be a little different. You know, I love photography. I love film photography. It's my first passion. It's kind of what got me into doing visual arts in the first place. But when COVID hit, that's when I knew that I needed to pivot to try something else. I was really interested in drones for a while. I was doing flying the Mavics, which I still do on an odd occasion. And then I got an FPV drone and everything changed. And a couple of years later, I'm now in the ProtoFPV P3C. It's kind of the end, well, not the end, but it's kind of a point where I feel like I'm finally starting to do some of the work that I really enjoy doing and can do with this frame. Well, more on that later. Let's go fly. All right, good morning, everyone. This is me just getting ready with a quick test flight of the ProtoFPV, ProtoFPV P3C. Yeah, I love this drone. Just got to take it out more and get more shots of it. It's beautiful 3-inch. I didn't bring the ND filter today, unfortunately. It's pretty bright out, as you can see. We're going to be flying, so it's going to be quite... yeah, we're going to be running a high shutter speed on this one, but that's okay. I'm not doing any crazy cinematic filming today. Maybe for next time, but yeah, look at this beauty, hey? There you go. Goggles on. Make sure it fits. Oh, don't burn out the LCD screens. Yeah, just getting the battery on now. I think it goes this way. Okay, get the tab out. Not forgetting that. Definitely takes some getting used to. Once on there, it's really stuck. It was great. Let's get powered on. So, yep. Okay, I think we're connected now, so I'm going to try to take off and have a good flight. Looks pretty clear. There's nobody around. See nothing. I see some beautiful trees on the end there. Don't want to wake up too many people though. Thankfully, this drone isn't that loud, so we'll see how that goes. Oh yeah, ready to go. Right out the gate. Shutter setting is a bit bright, so let's see if we can turn that down a bit. Let's just find a place to land. Oh, this thing loves to go. I love it. Wee. Wee. Hello. Make sure you cut anything. How's it looking? Yeah, everything's all good. Nothing cut. Yeah, I think we're all good here. Alright. I'm just going to continue that flight, but with a higher shutter speed, so just because the sun's blaring right in us. Yeah, let's go air mode. Do some Okay, gonna be a bit sharp in the shadows because I don't have variable shutter speed, but that's okay by me. A little blip there. There we go. Let's head up to the track. There's low altitude flying. I don't know where I'm going today. Battery already running low, so try to be careful. A lot of dirty air there going through. I just love how the control I get from this drone. There's so much control. Except when I do that. That was intentional, of course. No, I'm just cruising. I can't really do a lot of freestyle, not like those other big guys who can do it. Let's go up. Oh, battery. Yeah. Yeah, just look at that dive control. Woo, yeah. I freestyle this thing like my other drones. It's the amazing thing about it. And it doesn't wig out that often. Just a little bit of wobbles when I'm trying to do just a straight descent, flat descent with my drone. Probably see some of that here in the footage. Let's go a little bit higher. Do a little thing. Just a quick roll. Okay. All right, the battery is done. That's too bad. Could use a bit more flight time. It's a little battery anyway. Wheat. Circle me. And land somewhere. Ooh. Before the battery says no, thank you. I'm just going to hit angle mode because I'm a little twitchy today. There we go. Very good. Okay, so I'm running this on 3S today. Yeah, and I think normally they spec this out to be on 4S, at least on ProtoFPV's website. At least I think that's the normal configuration. But I fit it to 3S. I do have some torquier motors. Actually, these are the Flywheel Explorer motors, and I just adapted them to this setup. They work really well. They're pretty torquey though. So I think low KV. So they do need a heavier prop to get the most out of it. I mean, I don't. Feel free to talk to Joshua Bartle about that kind of stuff, but I find it works pretty okay. So I kind of set it up like a Flywheel Explorer in that regard. And yeah, the 3S seems to work fine for me. As you can see, I'm able to do some stuff. I'm not able to go crazy on it, but oops, what do we have here? Just be able to do some flippy floppies and cruise and get decent flight time while staying under 250 grams. So that's always a cool part. All right, let's... Okay, my camera seems to be done. I don't know why. Alright, so I have to film this on my iPhone because my Insta360 Go 2 just gave out into the battery. It's an older unit, I bumped it a lot, it's probably not up to same spec. Someone must have given me a Go 3, be all up for it. But today I was just out taking the ProtoFPV P3C out for a spin, and I was chucking it in ways that normally I don't pilot and I'm not skilled to pilot. So I was definitely just trying to test my own abilities as well as test its own abilities. There was a couple of bumps. So far I think the frames held up pretty good. The bumpers definitely did their job because I definitely hit things, a couple of things, maybe not softly but not like super hard either, but enough to give it a jolt. But you can see it actually stayed very stable. That's what I really like about this drone, is just how stable it is and how it's able to just hold itself together and to be able to just just really just keep it all make me feel confident about my fly, I think is what I want to say. I mean, it's with 3S I'm able to get under 250 grams, which is great because that opens up a lot of opportunities. And yeah, it controls really well. Today is windy. I don't know if you can't really see. Today's pretty windy. You can't really see it. I don't think you really hear it. It's not super windy, but it's enough to kind of like give a little bit of wind turbulence to the drone, but it seemed to handle pretty okay. I think I definitely got to look into more of some of the vibrations. Some of the wobbles I'm getting, it could be just the configuration, it could be the nature of the props that I'm using, it could be the nature of just like using a Cinewhoop in windy conditions, and it's not very heavy either if it's sub 250, so all those things combined is probably what I'm getting. But it flies really well. I can fly close to the ground, I can fly high if I wanted to. Not some crazy tricks. I don't think it does like intense power. Well, it probably could do intense power loops. I just don't have the right configuration for it, especially with 3S. But you can definitely do a couple of drops and dives that I've been able to execute pretty okay. And once you have air mode on, you can pull out of it really nice, which helps. Yeah, P3C is a really great drone. I really enjoy it. Yeah, it's one that I'd been on the search for a really good Cinewhoop, and while I do have some smaller, lighter ones that I do fly from time to time, like the Pavo Pico, those are very specific for certain types of operations. The P3C seems to really hold its own. I haven't done a real estate indoor fly through with this iteration of the frame. I'm looking forward to that because I know it's been very stable for me. Even the version that I was flying, one of the early prototypes that was doing really well and flew through pretty good, actually. That one was an analog setup too. Wow. Okay, that's all for me for today. You see, it's early morning. I haven't even done my hair. I will see you guys. See y'all next time when I take it out again.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows.